Abhay Singh Chautala's elevation to the presidency of the Indian Olympic Association may not have had the sanction of the International Olympic Committee, but it officially ended Suresh Kalmadi's 16-year reign as the undisputed boss of Indian sports. But Kalmadi retained one association, staying on as head of the Asian Athletics Association. But now, with charges being framed in the Commonwealth Games scam, voices are asking for Kalmadi's removal from that position too.
The minute we heard that he was chairing the meeting of the Asian Athletic Association, we were shocked, and we've been making a noise about it, and we don't want people like him. He's been there for so long and he's done nothing to change the face of sports in the country.
Kalmadi's reign as Asia's top athletic boss will end in July. He has been in the job since 2000 and stayed on even while he was behind bars. Yet the IAAF, of which he is an executive board member, has taken no action against him. This despite an IOC Ethics Commission recommendation that he be kept out of the Olympic movement.
Ethics Commission had given a ruling clearly that these people should have nothing to do with the Olympic movement till their name is cleared. It's not when I'm convicted I get hanged. It is you will step aside from the Olympic movement and come back if you're cleared.
There are indications that Kalmadi will face a challenge at the next Asian Athletics election later this year. He currently holds the job by virtue of being a nominee of the Indian Federation.
The secretary who came from there, he says we don't know anything about the CWG scam and we have not been informed about what's happening. So I think it's really crazy, and it shows the clout that they are holding over those athletic federations.
Interestingly, his key lieutenant Lalit Bhanot too has been charge sheeted as well. Bhanot is the Secretary General of the IOA, which has been suspended by the IOC, and the Athletics Federation of India, which they control, has been derecognized by the Sports Ministry. In New Delhi, Digvijay Singh Deo.